How to turn off and disable swipe forward and backward on UC browser. Hello guys, so what you have to do is so simple. Go to UC browser. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down here, click on those three lines as you can see here. Now go to the settings here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Click on the add-ons, click on the browser settings here, the second one. After you click on browsing settings, now here you will find swipe forward and backward option. Click on it and it's turned it off successfully. As you can see, this was very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.